This is the instructions on how to page in case for an emergency. So there are 3 ways you can do the paging. The first one we're going to do is the desktop using RingCentral. Okay, so we are going to click *84 and dial. And it is asking for the group number that we want to page, and I want to page Central. So I am going to put 701#. And then you would just speak in once you hear the beep. So that's the desktop way. The second way you can do an announcement for an emergency is use your mobile phone and open your RingCentral app and go under to the dial pad. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We are going to press *84 dial.
The group number that you wish to page, followed by #.
So then I'm going to put the group number for Central, which is 701#. And once I hear that beep, that's when I will make my announcement. Okay, now how to use your desktop phone at your desk. We are going to press the page button.
Please enter the group number that you wish to page, followed by #.
And I'm going to put the code in for Central, which is 701#. And then after we hear the beep, we will make our announcement. And then don't forget, the emergency codes are on the back of your badge.